Actually, I had a few friends of mine go out and wade this morning. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to join them, but they pretty much killed it. But it is like 5 o'clock, and a buddy of mine said, hey, I'm gonna go wade. They still got the beaches open, people are still out here. So I'm in the hustle mode to hurry up and get down there, stay in the speed limit. But wish me luck, fingers crossed. Hopefully I can catch a speck or two out there. Thanks for coming back. Alright, so just got here, just pulled up. Cody's landed a nice big one a few minutes ago. He says he's missing a fish about every cast, so we're gonna switch it up. Threw a spoon on it. He's smacking him with a spoon, so I'm gonna change it real fast. Doesn't look like we're wade fishing. We're gonna fish off these rock groins, so I'm gonna might do a quick switcheroo on a couple stuff.
Go over and look at them.
What's up, buddy?
Got another one while I
Did you?
talked to you.
Did you?
While you was out there, yeah.